So in this video, I'm going to be solving this SAT practice question. The question is, what is the solution x, y to this given system of equations? Basically, we are looking for the values of x and y that will make any of these equations to be true. So to make it easier, let's say this is equation 1, and let's call this equation 2. Okay, so we can easily solve it by substitution method. How do I mean? We substitute equation 2 in equation 1 to eliminate y. Then whatever value we get for y, we substitute back to equation 1 to get x. So in that case, you now say substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So if I put it in equation 1, wherever I have y in equation 1, I will replace it with 19. So equation 1, we have y is equal to 4x minus 9. So if I substitute equation 2 in that equation 1, so that will be 19 is equal to 4x minus 9. So 19, if you bring minus 9 here, it will become plus 9 is equal to 4x. And 19 plus 9 will give us 28. 28 is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. Divided by 4, this cancels this. 28 divided by 4 would give us 7. 7 is equal to x. So this implies that x is equal to 7. Right? So this is the first solution. That's the solution of x. Then to get the value of y, we cannot substitute it back into equation 2 because equation 2 is only a function of y. So we have to, it's not a function of x rather. So we have to take it back to equation 1. So if you take it back to equation 1, you now say substitute x, which is equal to 7 into equation 1. So we have y is equal to 4 into brackets 7, right, minus 9. So in that case, 7 times 4, that is 28. So we have 28 minus 9, and 28 minus 9 gives us 19. So in that case, therefore, we can say that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 19. So if you write it in this coordinate form, we can see that x comma y is equal to 7 comma 19. So, and 7 comma 19 corresponds to option B. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Please comment as well. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.